So I'm ready to do my merge request or my pull request. And so I'm going to do an @ and then Git Diff. And I'm going to focus on my local changes. And I want a recap. So I'm going to go ahead and get a recap. So before I do my actual merge or pull request, I got my recap. From there too, so after it's done, this is going to explain everything that I've changed. And now I'm going to do a describe. And what the describe will give me is it will give me a description that I can use for my merge request. So I can give a title and the type and get a description. So that's what I can use. So if you don't have PR merge or Qodo merge, you could use that, or you can also use the commit message and get yourself a commit message too. So this is really good to use for both your PR or merge request and also for your commit. So now I have my commit and all my information. So those are 3 commands to use